Hey guys, just want to quickly go over the 5-minute signals for the breakouts. Don't mind the neighbor's chickens in the background. UJ, we didn't get any signals for Thursday the 28th December. EU, got one signal here, but there's no liquidity for it to run into, so we wouldn't have taken that one. AU, no signals. GU, no signals. GJ, we got a signal here with a little tiny bit of liquidity. Not an ideal setup, but got a winner there. And if you would have held it, you would have had a nice runner. AJ, nice liquidity here for it to run into. So yeah, you could have taken that one. Not an ideal setup with this choppiness here, but that's a winner there. US 30, I marked out some TPs, some stop losses already, so you got two winners here. Not ideal setups with this consolidation action here before this liquidity, but you did end up getting a win there. And kind of something similar here. A little bit of choppiness here with the liquidity, but enough to get it to pull down into it. Now it's 100. Got another one marked out here. This one wasn't even a 1R. So again, not ideal setup with this choppiness here. You can see how it just kind of stops right in that chop. So might not have wanted to take that. Also, it's right through this whole move. When the signal comes out, you're halfway through it already, so it's just way too extended. Nothing on this signal. Nothing really here, just way too choppy. Yep, so no ideal setups so far. Couple of low quality ones. Nothing really on gold, even though you do have this nice liquidity. It didn't quite seem to run into it. Had the signal, but didn't have what it took there. Bitcoin got a 1.2, so there's something. And that's pretty much it. We could check out a couple others quickly. Nothing really here. Signal comes out right when it breaks that horizontal line, so that actually would have been a 1-to-1 if you did get in at the right time. So that's pretty much it. Might have got stopped out here if you had a tight stop loss. Again, this ranging here, you want to stay away from that, honestly. It's out of strategy. That's not what the signals are built for. Yeah, I do my stop loss. It's pretty tight with this stuff, so I would have got stopped out. But if you do change yours and you just want to have a little bit of a bigger stop, you know, that's a 2.5 bar there, so decent liquidity. Okay, I'll keep the video short, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.